These earnings are based on a new method I tried out recently. Yes, it's possible. You can make money from YouTube without uploading videos. I will show you all the steps I did so you can try this out yourself. The way to do this is really simple. The overall strategy consists of finding videos that people upload to YouTube and completely forget about. But the real trick comes in when you find videos that people uploaded, added a link to the website in the video description, and then completely forgot about it. These videos are still getting a ton of traffic, and the owner of the video never renewed the registration of the domain. Keep watching. I will show you step by step how to find old videos like that. As you see here, at the time of recording this video, I have found out a video with a link in the description to a domain that has expired. This video is currently ranking for so many keywords and still getting loads of views. So how did I find that video? Trying to find these types of videos manually will take you many hours. So instead, I use Video Traffic Genie. I've added a link in the description below if you want to try it. It's really easy. The first step is to add a keyword in the Video Traffic Genie search box. Let's try fly fishing as the keyword. Now it will populate all of the best videos that have links to expired domains related to the keyword I just typed. You see details of views, likes, comments the video has gotten. So let's see if this is really an expired domain. Let me click on this link. Yes, it says the site can't be reached. Now the next is the most interesting step. How do you make money from these YouTube videos? So all these domains are expired. That means you can easily pick up the domain name for around $10 and redirect the traffic anywhere you want. So the next step is to get the domain. I go to Namecheap, add the URL and search. Yes, it's available and just $10.98. It's an investment. Keep watching. I will show you how you can earn that $10 and much more very quickly. The way to do this is to find related affiliate products from ClickBank or maybe even Amazon and then link those products on the website. Let's say for example, I choose to promote this woodworking product in the website. For this product, the commission is 70%. That means for one sale, I get $38. That's 3 times more than what I pay for the domain. So with one sale, I can break even and even make a profit. With 2 sales, I would get $76. With 5 sales, I would get $190 and so on. I have created videos before on this channel about how to choose profitable products on ClickBank. So I won't go through that in detail here. I will link the previous videos in the description if you want to check them out. So once you have selected the products, you need to add them to the website. You get organic targeted traffic from the old videos. This is the site and how it looks today. This is one of many examples. You can create many more sites like this by using Video Traffic Genie to identify many more URLs like this on various niches. So you saw that it's possible to make money on YouTube without filming. Basically, you can make money on YouTube without making videos at all. Of course, to make money on YouTube without creating videos still requires some time and effort to find the expired domains and a little investment for the domain. That said, if you want to make money on YouTube fast and don't want to make videos, then this is definitely for you.